Tired of staring at charts all day? Let's automate your trading with Bybit's powerful conditional orders, so you can profit even while you sleep. First, log into your Bybit account and navigate to the trading interface for the contract you want to trade. Make sure you're in derivatives trading mode. Next, in the order panel, find the order type drop-down menu, click on it, and select conditional. You'll now see the conditional order section appear. This is where you set the conditions for your trade. The most important field is the trigger price. This is the price that needs to be reached for your order to be activated. Enter your desired trigger price here. Now, set your order price. This is the price at which your order will be placed after the trigger price is met. This can be a limit order to buy or sell at a specific price, or you can use market to execute it immediately at the best available price. Enter the quantity of the contract you want to trade in the quantity field. Don't forget to set your take profit and stop loss levels. This helps manage your risk automatically. Review all the details carefully and then click the submit button to place your conditional order. You can view your active conditional orders in the open orders section from here. You can also modify or cancel them if needed. And that's it. You've successfully set up a conditional order on Bybit, allowing you to automate your trades and potentially profit from market movements, even when you're not watching. Subscribe for more Bybit tips and tricks.